How to connect your ThinkPad docking station to your MacBook Air and Pro. So doing this is somewhat possible, but there are a few important compatibility points to consider since ThinkPad docks are primarily designed for Lenovo laptops. But other than that, you can first check for your docking station and what kind of model you have. So modern ThinkPad docks usually use a USB-C or a Thunderbolt 3/4, while other models may rely on proprietary connectors. But if your dock supports USB-C or Thunderbolt, then you can connect it directly to your MacBook. So if you also have these slots for your MacBook, which of course you should, then you can go ahead and do so using a compatible cable, and it should just be already provided, but if not, then you're gonna have to get those. Other than that, make sure you already have power for your dock. You can plug in the dock's power adapter and then connect the USB-C Thunderbolt cable from the dock to your MacBook. So the ports available for your MacBook, and then once connected, macOS should automatically detect external monitors, Ethernet, and USB devices attached to the dock. So for other attachments you want to connect to the ThinkPad dock, you're gonna have to connect it as well. Let's say you're going for a monitor, you're gonna use an HDMI or whatever kind of compatible plug goes into that monitor. Make sure your dock and MacBook does support the same resolution and refresh rate, since some features like multiple monitor outputs may have those limitations. Now, in the case that if your ThinkPad dock uses a proprietary Lenovo connector like the old side docking port, you cannot connect it directly to your MacBook. In this case, you can consider using a USB-C or Thunderbolt dock designed for Macs instead, as they will provide similar functionality, including the multiple USB ports and other uses like the Ethernet. Once connected, you can check the system settings and then the display of your Mac to configure external monitors and then networks for wired Ethernet access. The setup will allow you to use most dock features with your MacBook, and similarly what a ThinkPad dock will do. Now that is just an alternative you can use if for some reason your ThinkPad won't directly connect to your MacBook and make use of other external devices like a monitor. But that is the general idea on how you could connect a ThinkPad docking station to your MacBook. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.